How much have you told him?
Enough.
About Gertrude?
No, I didn't have time.
I've wondered for so long who it could be down there. Who was helping her. I honestly never would have guessed.
How did you know I was here?
I didn't. You're very well hidden, but John is not. And he failed to take the same precautions I'm sure you took for granted with Gertrude. I knew he was talking to someone, and it turns out to be Jürgen Leitner himself. What an honor.
Elias, please.
What did you want from him?
The files. The ones you took from Gertrude.
Planning a little light arson, are we, Jürgen?
It's not just the Institute, and you know it. They had everything she had found on the stranger.
I know. It's, what do they call it?
The unknowing.
Creativity never was their forte.
You, of all people, should want to stop them.
And we will. But I don't think we'll need your help.
And what's he going to think when he gets back?
Well, he was always going to need to fly the nest at some point. Go out and see the world for himself.
He might die.
It's always a danger. Almost always.
Elias, it doesn't have to be like...